Hi there, welcome back to the DutchRC channel again. Thank you for tuning in. And as you can see, I have the WLToys V931 out for a maiden, well, at least a maiden outdoors flight. I have hovered and flown it a bit around indoors, but this is its first flight outdoors. There is a little bit of wind, as usual in the Netherlands. Well, we'll see how it handles that. Well, let's start off by a hover test. Now I have to tell you, I am not an unexperienced helicopter pilot, but I should be able to at least hover it. Okay, it gets blown to the left a little, as you can see by the wind, but it's reasonably stable. I'm in stabilized mode now. Now, if you're not familiar with helicopter flying, a helicopter, even with stabilizer, is never as stable as the quadcopters you see these days. You have to do more work yourself to keep it stabilized. But even with that, and once again, I'm not an unexperienced helicopter pilot, it's not a problem. Oh, it's going up a little more than I had wanted. Let's bring her down gently. Okay, let's try a little forward flight. Well, it's reasonably easy. The response of my throttle inputs is very slow. If I change my throttle position, it takes quite a while before I see results of that change. It has a little bit of tail waggle now and again. I hope you can see that. Yeah, it's a small helicopter, I know that. So it will be small in video. Well, the speed is actually reasonable. This is not full pitch. It can get up to higher speeds. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's. I'm not sure how long the batteries last. They are kind of like tiny and stuff. So let's try a landing. How smooth is the landing with this thing? Yeah, ground effect. Okay, that was more than reasonable. Okay, well, I'm not gonna attempt another flight on this battery, but I'll post up at least one video explaining all the flight modes. I was now flying in idle mode. I'm not sure, they have the words kind of wrong. Idle up would mean that the motor would be spinning right now. But this was the most basic type of flight mode for this helicopter. Once again, I will explain in a future video what all the flight modes are and how they operate, and I will demonstrate those in a flight video as well. If you have questions or maybe requests for me to do things with this helicopter, let me know in the comments down below. For now, thank you very much for watching and hope to see you back in another video. Bye bye.